If you had asked me a year ago, would you be running a surveillance testing lab on your campus? The answer would have been absolutely not. Why would I be doing that? Many of these resources were already on campus. It was just a question of gaining access to them or consolidating them in a location. We were asked to start to put together protocols and procedures, and we were able to put a plan together by mid-fall. There are a couple of advantages that come from processing the samples on campus. Because we're focused purely on our campus samples, we are able to rapidly determine if there is a positive test, and we can quickly isolate an individual or quarantine them. We currently have between 15 and 20 students that are working in the testing lab.
In the future, I hope to go into a research testing facility in the pharmaceutics industry. And so I think working here has provided me with a lot of skills and techniques that I couldn't get anywhere else.
Working in this testing lab is really beneficial for the students that have this opportunity. They're going to be able to put on their resume, I did surveillance testing for COVID-19. That's going to be a skill that is going to open up doors for them. And all of them wanted to make a difference. They wanted to help the community as a whole.
Sometimes when you're really into the whole process of the testing, sometimes you take a second and you're like, okay, this is COVID. And I'm really proud of it. It's changing lives, especially on campus. It's helping students and helping staff. It's helping everyone.
College is a time like no other. But I know from talking to the students that I work with, both in the testing lab and on, in the classes that I teach, that this has been really hard for them. Being able to do this surveillance testing on campus really allows us to have that return to what we all want much faster. We've been given this tremendous responsibility to keep the campus safe, and I take that seriously.